welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. This is the second week for this CVS ad cycle and I have some few deals to share. Every deal you did last week have reset. That means you can do them again this week. And in case you did not see my video last week, you can check it out because you can find more deals there. And don't forget to check the description because I have a link to the Google Doc of all the deals I'll share in this video. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And let's go see what deals we can find. The first deal I have is on Colgate toothpaste. They're on the deal of buy two get $6 bag. Pick up 2 of the Colgate total, priced at $6.29 each. These 2 will total $12.58. Use 3 of 2 digital coupon that will double dip and take off 6. That will drop it down to $6.58 and you get $6 back, making both just 58 cents or 29 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $10 extra care box pack, and Crest 3D Glamorous mouthwash is included in this deal. They are priced at $9.99. Pick up 2. The 2 will total $19.98. That's within the 98% rule for the spend 20. If you're doing this deal, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. That way you can get your $10 extra care box back. We have a $3 digital coupon that is attaching to this. And you can use one of the 3 off 2 digital coupon we received last week. If you have a 4 off 20 Crest CRT, that will also apply to this deal. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $10, dropping it down to $9.98. Pay that and you get $10 extra care box back. That will end up making these 2 free and 2 cents moneymaker. Next deal will be on Dunkin' Donuts K-Cup pots. The 10 counts are on sale for $5.99. Pick up 1. I have these 2 of 6 coffee CRT I received in my email. Using it, it will drop it down to $3.99. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, and that will make it just $1.99. If you don't want to pick up the K-Cup, what you can do is to pick up one of the ground coffee. The only difference is the K-Cups are $5.99 and the ground coffees are $6.99. Picking up 1, use the 2 of 6 coffee CRT I got in my email. That will drop it down to $4.99. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just $2.99. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, but that will be on select Kellogg cereal. They're on sale for $1.99. Pick up 3, and these 3 will total $5.97. Go to Kellogg website and print out the $1 off 2 coupon, and I'll also use a 2 off 6 breakfast CRT I received in my email. The coupon and the CRT will take off $3, dropping it down to $2.97 for all 3, or just 99 cents each. The next deal I have is on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, and I'm sharing this deal because we have some new Ibotta rebates that popped up. The first thing you can do is to pick up the eyeshadow priced at $7.99 and pick up one of the lipstick priced at $7.99. The eyeshadow and the lipstick will total $15.98. We have a $3 digital coupon, and I also have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. And the coupon and the CRT will take off $6, dropping it down to $9.98. You pay that and you get $5 extra care box back. Then check Ibotta. For the eyeshadow is giving back $2, and also for the lipstick is giving back $2. That means you will get back $4 from Ibotta. After the $4 you get from Ibotta and the $5 extra care box, these 2 will end up costing just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have will be on Dove Cleansing Bar. They are part of the buy 2 get $5 back limit of 1. What you can do is pick up 2. They are priced at $6.49 each. And these 2 will total $12.98. We only have a $2 coupon in our app that will apply, and it will drop it down to $10.98 and you get $5 extra care box back. That will end up making these 2 just $5.98 or $3 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 extra care box, and the soft soap liquid hand soap is part of this deal. That's the 8 ounces. Pick up 2 is priced at $2.79 each. These 2 will total $5.58. Check out softsoap.com and print out two 50-cent coupons. Using the two coupons will take off $1, dropping it down to $4.58, and you get $2 back, making both just $2.58 or $1.29 each. The next deal I have will be on Method hand wash. This deal you can do the hair care or the body wash or body lotion, but I think the hand wash is the cheapest. They're also on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up two Method foaming hand soap. They are priced at $5.29. That means the second one will be $2.65. These two will total $7.94. We don't have any coupon that is applying to this product, and you can't use any percentage of CRT because they are on sale. Pay the $7.94 and you get $2 extra care box back. Then submit your receipt to Swagbox because it's giving back 300 Swagbox. That's a total of $3. After the Swagbox offer, these two will end up costing just $2.94 or $1.47 each. The next deal I have is buy two get $4 extra care box, and Gillette disposable razor and Venus disposable razors are part of this deal. They're on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up one Gillette razor priced at $9.49, and for the second item, pick up one Venus disposable razor priced at $9.49. But one is going to be half off, and the half off will be $4.75. These two will total $14.24. Check your app because we have a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette disposable razor, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for the Venus. The two coupons will take off $6, dropping it down to $8.24, and you get $4 back, making both just $4.24 or $2.12 each. Next deal I have is on Axe body spray. They are part of the buy two get $2 extra care box, limit of 1 per week. Pick up two, priced at $8.29 each, and these two will total $16.58. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a 4 off 16 Axe CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $10, dropping it down to $6.58, and you get $2 back, making both just $4.58 or $2.29 each. The next deal is on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. They're on the deal of buy two get $2 back, and they're on sale for 2 for $9. Pick up two. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5, and you get $2 back. Last week we had $1 back from Ibotta, but I checked mine, it's no longer there, which is okay because last week we had a 3 off 2 digital coupon, but this week we have a 4 off 2. After the $2 back, these two will end up costing just $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I have will be on Easy Up training underwears. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $5 back. Picking up two, it's priced at $12.99. That means the second one will be $6.50. These two packs will total $19.49. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $16.49, and you get 5 back, making both just $11.49 or $5.75 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. And if you need more deals, don't forget to check the video I posted last week. It's still the same deal as this week, and I'll talk to you all next time.